Hello friends, in this video I will tell you important NCERT books for UPSC CSE prelims as well as for mains exam. Okay, as all you know, NCERT books are very important for UPSC prelims as well as mains answer writing. So all UPSC aspirant I think must revise NCERT at least 2 or 3 times. Okay, so the same list I will tell you here. Okay, for art and culture, class 11th NCERT, that is an introduction to Indian art. Okay, you can refer this book. This book is very important and very easy. Okay, and for ancient and medieval history, you can refer class 11th and class 12th Tamil board history. ठीक है, these two books are like I will say these four books because there are two books in class 11th and there are two books in class 12th, means overall four books. If you'll cover up these four books, then I think 90% of ancient and medieval history will like summarize. Okay, so you should go with these two books. Okay, next for modern history, you can refer History of Modern India by Bipin Chandra. Okay, this book is also known as old NCERT of modern history. Okay, you can purchase this book. Next for geography, you can refer class 11th and class 12th NCERTs. Okay, or by chance if you are like not understanding class 11th NCERT directly, then you can start with the class 6th NCERT. Okay, and then class 7 means you have to cover up class like from class 6 to class 12 geography. Okay, means there will like then you will be like able to understand more efficiently. Okay, so you can refer these books for geography. For political science, you can refer class 11th NCERTs, means there are two parts in class 11th, that is political theory and Indian constitution and work. Okay, so these two books are very important for political science. For economics, you can refer class 11th NCERT, that is Indian economic development, and class 12th macroeconomics. Okay, these two books you can refer. For economics, you can refer these two NCERTs. Okay, for environment, you can refer class 12th biology's last four chapter only, that is titled as ecology. Okay, so you can read these four chapters from there. For society and social issues, you can refer class 12th sociology's books, that is Indian society and social change and development in India. Okay, so these two books are important for society and social issues. You can like get a very good background you there from there. Okay, means you will get a good knowledge, okay, from these two books. Next for science, you can refer class 9th and class 10th NCERTs. These books are very good and I think more than enough for UPSC. So you can read only these two books. Like in NCERTs, you can read only these two books. So these two books will be sufficient for from NCERT's list. Okay, means there is no need to go with other NCERTs or other class NCERTs rather than class 9th and class 10th NCERTs for science. Okay, so hope this video will help you a lot. And as you know, UPSC CSE exam has postponed, so now you also have like sufficient time to cover up these NCERTs, because I think there are like 120 plus days, so you can go thoroughly and you can also revise these NCERTs at least twice. So all the best to you UPSC aspirants. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.